Now we will show you how to set up the Level Up series that produces Kangen water. First, check the accessories of the Level Up series. Then, install the unit on a flat surface. And next, here's how to install the diverter. Check the type of faucet beforehand. We will show you 3 major types here. First, we will show you how to install the shower nozzle type diverter. These are the accessories you can use. First, remove the foam part already fixed here. Then, check the packing at the shower head adapter and tighten it at the end of the faucet. Next, set the fixing nut and tighten it at the foam adapter with the foam adapter packing. Use a coin to tighten the foam adapter. Now, tighten the setting nut of the diverter. The process is now complete. Next, we will show you how to install the outer screw type foam adapter. These are the accessories for use. First, remove the old faucet already affixed there. Set the fixing nut and foam adapter packing into the faucet. Check correct screw size and then tighten the foam adapter at the end of the faucet. Use a coin to tighten the foam adapter. Tighten the setting nut of the diverter. The process is now complete. Next, we will show you how to install the inner screw type foam adapter. These are the accessories you will use. First, remove the old faucet already affixed there. Set the fixing nut and foam adapter packing into the faucet. Check correct screw size and then tighten the foam adapter at the end of the faucet. Use a coin to tighten the foam adapter. Now tighten the setting nut of the diverter. The process is now complete. For other faucet types, please contact our Customer Support Center. Next, we will show you how to set up the unit. Remove the hose ring of the diverter which you have attached to the faucet. Insert the hose ring into the white water supply hose. Attach the hose to the branch plug. Fix it tight with the hose ring. Connect the gray secondary water hose to the secondary water stand and fix it to the kitchen sink by the suction pad. Plug in the power cord and press the power button.
Power on. Kangen Water 9.5.
Press the reset button inside the water filter cover.
Filter reset.
The process is now complete. For more information, please see the operation manual.